doing good. Just now I had received this package from Foxy, and let me see what all I have here. First of all, I have this welcome note. Thank you for this. And I have some products inside. I have this right here, a sheet mask. And I have also got this surprise kit. Let me see what all it has. I have here a Colorbar makeup remover, much needed. We have a lipstick here, another lipstick, and this. Okay guys, so let me quickly tell you that this brand does not use any plastic packaging, and packaging material is all biodegradable. And the best part is, whenever you are going to shop with them, you are going to get a surprise kit, which is amazing. So don't forget to shop yours, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the surprise.